Start. On an careful reading of the aforesaid paragraphs of the election petition contained in Annexure 1 of the writ petition, it is clear that election petition contains an adequate statement of all material facts on which the allegations of not only illegality in counting of votes were founded, but specific allegations of manipulation and fraud played by returning officer while counting of votes were labeled with material particulars. Stop. Not only this, but the petitioner had also adduced voluminous evidence to support the allegations leveled in the election petition in respect of aforesaid illegalities and manipulations in counting of votes by entering himself in witness box and by examining his counting agent. Stop. The aforesaid version of election petition was also supported by other candidates by filing their affidavits before the election tribunal, which clearly established that the petitioner had adduced sufficient evidence affording a good ground for believing that manipulation was done and fraud was played while counting of votes by returning officer. Therefore, in my opinion, the only way to decide the dispute and to do complete justice between the parties was order for recounting of votes. Stop. From the perusal of impugned judgment and order passed by the election tribunal, it appears that the statement of petitioner and his agent in respect of manipulation in counting of votes has been rejected without any cogent reason. Stop. It appears that while dealing with issue, the election tribunal under wrong notion of law has illegally assumed that the petitioner was required to prove his allegations made in election petition beyond reasonable doubt, whereas in view of legal position enunciated by Honorable Apex Court and this court from time to time as indicated herein before, such standard of proof for inspection of ballot papers for the purpose of recounting of votes is not at all necessary. Stop. The election petitioner was required merely to adduce such evidence on the basis of which allegations could be prima facie established, affording good ground for believing that there has been mistake or illegality or manipulation in counting of votes, and further on the basis of such evidence court or tribunal trying the election petition could be prima facie satisfied for directing inspection of ballot papers or recounting of votes. Stop. A distinction between prima facie opinion and concluded opinion was required to be kept in mind, but while rejecting the prayer for recount of votes, in my opinion, the election tribunal has proceeded completely on wrong notion of law and rejected prayer for recount of votes on the ground that the petitioner has failed to prove his case. Stop. In this connection, it is to be noted that when the allegations in the petition were not vague or indefinite or frivolous, rather they were very specific in terms and supported by oral evidence adduced before the election tribunal, in as much as affidavits of other candidates there was sufficient material before the election tribunal affording good ground to believe that illegality or manipulation was done in counting. Stop.